Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my page. It's Jenny here. It is a Sunday evening in Alberta, Canada. I do go live interviews to in different professions from this online business just to share their stories and why they want to do this online business. And today it's my pleasure to invite Taba, who is a teacher from United States. I'll let Taba to introduce herself and just her background and why she wanted to do this online business. Hi, Taba. Thank you for coming here.
Hi, Jenny. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you for you to inviting me to your page. I'm extremely grateful. Um, my name is Taiba, as you told. I'm originally from Pakistan. I came to US after getting married with my husband 21 years ago. I have three kids. They are young adults. I chose career in education as I have a degree in English literature, and now I'm teaching in United States for past 12 years. Recently, I joined this digital network, and now a proud digital business owner as well. So the reason for me to start this business, Jenny, was that I started this business when my husband died 3 years ago,
Oh, I'm so
leaving me
sorry.
alone with three teenager kids. Yes. And all of the responsibility was on my shoulders. Although he left a share in family business, and I'm also earning as a teacher, but it was not sufficient to cover all the household expenses, food, bills, and so on. And furthermore, my children were soon going to college, and I wanted to support them uh, so they can pay off their college funds, and they don't have to take out the loans and then spend their whole life paying them off. So I was looking for a side hustle to help support for my children's education. And also, I'm a cancer survivor, so I didn't want to jeopardize my health, like doing multiple jobs and working long hours. So I was looking for something online as a side hustle. So I joined this network, and because the schedule was very flexible and I can run this business from the comfort of my house. I don't have to leave my house. So I can also uh, do continue my career in teaching. So that was the reason that I started this business.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear your loss, Taba. Yeah, it
Uh,
must be really hard, difficult. Yeah.
yes, it was to me. It was
Understand.
very difficult, but
Yeah.
it is what it is,
Yeah, life moves on. We just have to be strong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, it's not easy, once the household income become just one
It
person.
wasn't easy.
No, yeah. And I'm sure, the teenagers is really hard to deal with, because, the grown
Yeah, that's
stage.
why.
hmm Yeah, just
Exactly. That's why I didn't want to do multiple jobs. I wanted to stay home with them,
right,
looking after for them after
right.
losing their father. I didn't want them to
Yeah,
leave by
right,
themselves. So that was the reason that I was looking for something like which I can continue doing from my home,
right,
and still be able to see them and
right.
near them. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure that they really needed you to be there for them. That's the special time for them, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
exactly.
understand
Okay.
that online it's
Mm.
almost like the only solution or choice because it's like our time is so precious and there's no way we can get extra time for our kids. Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
Um,
Exactly. Sure.
so how did you find this online business, and what make you think that it would work or would help you?
So Jenny, like everyone else, I was also scrolling through Facebook and I saw the ad of this business two, three times on my page. But first I didn't pay attention because I knew I was like skeptical that it will be a scam or something. But then these ads keep popping up on my page. And I saw an ad of my mentor a few days later. She too was from Pakistan, like me. So I became curious and I thought that I should ask her about what business, what online like network they're talking about. So I contacted her and she advised me to attend the webinar in order to understand the business model. That's what I did. And at the end of the webinar, I paid $149, a refundable fee that to gain the access for the initial training. That training was so simple and easy. It was video based training. I was so overwhelmed that I decided to move further. And I'm now very happy that I took a step without any hesitation. So yeah, that's how I started, like
Yeah.
every other person. Yeah.
Yeah. So have you had experience of doing any sort of business at all?
No, Jenny, I didn't have any experience. Uh, bec and that's the beauty of this platform, that you doesn't need to require a degree or any kind of experience. It's a legitimate and profitable system. We pay taxes, and we all the tools and trainings and strategies are provided with the mentoring and coaching around the clock. With all these advantages, anyone from anywhere can start this business because 90% of our work is done by our technical department. It's only 10% of our effort that we need to put in to grow and be a successful business owner.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to stop here. Just want to say thank you to our audience, whoever come to our page to watch our stories, and I really appreciate your time. So just continue to our, topics. Um, do you work alone, or do you have anybody to work with for this online business?
No, Jenny, I am the sole provider for this business. I am doing it myself. And I am being a completely honest with you, I had no negative experience so far in this business. Nothing will go wrong if you follow the training exactly as it is, and as well as you follow the rules and processes, policies for running the ads. So I did that, and I am extremely happy that I am running this business very successfully. It is, it's an internet world, and almost everyone is switching to the online world, and they are making money through social media. Uh, and how can we learn? How can we grow our page, our Facebook page? How can we run? How can we use different social media platform like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and to marketize our business. So our training and websites are like they are updated on a regular basis, and your overall you are gaining knowledge and experience rather than losing anything. So it gave me confidence that I can also do it by myself without having any, technical knowledge or degree. So it is very overwhelming and give me a sense of accomplishment. Yeah, I can do something like that too.
Yeah, yeah. I think lots of people, when they're talking about business, They just have that traditional mind thinking about we have to selling stuff to people, we have to go to door to introduce ourselves or have a showcase our products. But this
Yeah.
digital business is just completely different. We're now
It doesn't
doing
have to
selling.
do all
Yeah,
that.
we
Yeah.
don't do all that kind of stuff, and it's really helping everyday people, just like ordinary people like us, never had experience, so we don't have to go through all that headaches, right? And
Right.
yeah, just like you said, the training really helped a lot. It's very
Yeah.
easy, basic, and short tutorial, and very easy understanding. So like you had a really good experience. That's pretty good. So has it been helping you in any ways since you started?
Yeah. Exactly, Jenny. This business is not only helping me making money, but it is also boosting my confidence in using all of these social media platforms to grow my business. Um, despite of the fact that I'm not a technical person, I feel a sense of accomplishment knowing that I can do this without a degree or experience. In addition, I am now part of a massive global community, and our success is depends on one another. We all work together to help each other to grow our business, and we come from different backgrounds, different cultures, different ethnicities. So as we too are from a different backgrounds, so you have to have you become a part of very, like, welcoming and friendly community. That's a plus point in this
Yeah.
business.
Yeah, yeah, I hear you. I interviewed, teachers, and I interviewed some, business person, some, office people, different professions, and
Yeah,
none of
different
them,
professional, different,
yeah,
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 exactly,
none
different
of them had
careers.
a background of any sort of business, but we're all doing it pretty good, and it's always
Pretty
been.
good.
Yeah, and the biggest compliment to accomplish, just like you said, a big personal growth. Like we're all come become very confident of this doing this business. None, I haven't heard anybody saying that I cannot do it. Things like that. It's all huge. Huge personal development. Yeah, that's really yeah, it's really
Yes,
amazing.
Jenny, as you see that we have our different people who are who came from a different backgrounds and different professionals. They are doing this business as a side hustle because it doesn't require too much of your time. You can just like give it 2 to 3 hours a day. It would be enough, right?
Yeah,
So you, while doing your other like jobs or other careers, or you can also do this business as a side on the side. I have seen the mothers of like young children who have, like, they didn't want to send their kids to daycare. They are staying home, but they still wants to, support their husbands or their family financially, and they are doing this business online, like,
yeah,
while staying home, taking care of their loved ones and their kids. So it's very easy for them, if whether you are a full-time whether you do a full-time job or you are stay-at-home mom, anyone can do it.
yeah.
Anyone.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
like that. Really like the flexibility. Like I work as a nurse. I don't have enough time to for my kids and to do this one. It's just like I can be with them anywhere, anytime. Doesn't matter where I go with them, and I still can run
Mhm.
this business. It's just like just on top of our fingertips, right? Like as long as we
Yeah.
have our phone or laptop everywhere we go, it comes with us. Yeah, it's very
Yeah,
convenient. Yeah. Um,
exactly. Exactly.
so would you recommend to the business to anybody if would have
Yeah,
any
Jenny, of course.
suggestions?
I strongly recommend this to anyone who is struggling to work multiple jobs, or even they are staying at home parents to make their ends meet. I will recommend them to, if they are unable to work due to their other responsibilities as a parent or as a busy family member, they should give this a shot. I guarantee that it will help you not only to earn a good living, and it will also help you to grow personally, and you can achieve goals that you haven't have previously achieved. um, all you need is that you should have internet access, a laptop or a computer. You doesn't need any degree, you doesn't need to have any experience. Only if you need internet and laptop, and you can connect with one of us to and we will walk through the process of starting your own business from the comfort of your own home.
Yes, absolutely. Because I do have, I've met lots of people. They're really, struggling about working multiple jobs and don't have time for their kids or their family. And, but they still, having a hard time to get by every day, even though they work multiple jobs, right? It just, like
Right.
we need to come out of the comfort zone to find something that are really that beneficial, our physically, mentally, financially, and then all that, right? And I really hoping that people can, just test it out and find the benefit of this online business. Well, thank you so much, Taba, to come to my page today, share your story. I'm really appreciate your time, and I'm sure that your story inspires some of the audience here. And if anybody's interested, they can either reach out to Taba or myself, and just to check it out. And yeah, well, hopefully we'll talk to you soon again, Taba. Okay, you
Thank
take
you,
care.
Jenny. Thank you so much. Pleasure is all mine that you invited me to your page. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. You take care.
You too. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
Bye.